Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my February Boxycharm unboxing demo review, not really, first impressions, that's what I'm looking for. So if you guys are curious about what's in the box and how it all performs, at least upon first application, then go ahead and keep on watching. So the first product I'm going to use is the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser, and this retails for $22 and you just massage it on your face, on wet skin specifically. So I will be right back. Okay, I had to go wet my face, so I'm just going to use, ooh, it's really thick. And I don't know if this is a full size or if this is like one of their sample sizes. Ooh, but it lathers, which I don't know if you want that. It kind of smells like honey, so I'm thinking there's probably a little bit of honey in here. I don't know. Natural flavor. Huh. Why would you need flavored cleanser? I don't get it. It's nice. I don't know. I don't get all that excited about facial cleanser, but if you do, it's good stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go rinse and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I just rinsed and went ahead and put some moisturizer on. My skin felt really good afterwards. It wasn't too tight. It's not drying. I think it's a good, gentle facial cleanser, like it says, which I personally really like. I hate that tight feeling that cleansers that are too harsh will give you. So I like this. I really like Pharmacy as a brand. Like, their branding is really appealing to me. So I'm a fan of natural ingredients, although this ingredient list makes me wonder because it's pretty lengthy. So, and I don't know, I don't know what all of these ingredients are, so I'm not going to speak to that, but I will say right just off the bat, I'm noticing that there's caramel color, which that doesn't feel like it's in line with their branding. I don't know. Maybe I'm being too nitpicky. Okay, the next item that I'm going to use is the Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. It says it's a smooth and pore covering top secret for perfect makeup. My understanding is that Touch in Sol is cruelty free. So I'm going to go ahead and use it. It looks like it's got like a 2-year shelf life, which is awesome. It's made in Korea. It's a nice glass bottle with a pump, so I'm a fan. Okay, I need to look at my face and see where my pores are, because believe it or not, I don't really pay attention to that. So I've got some enlarged pores along here, and maybe along my forehead a little bit. So I will apply to those areas. And there's no directions. Are there directions on here? It says create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. That sounds super exciting. Okay, well maybe I'll just put it all over my face. So it doesn't say if I'm supposed to rub it in or press it in. I don't know what to do. I'll just rub. And this retails for $18. So we'll try rubbing and we'll see what happens. Maybe I'll press where my pores are bigger. Ooh, it's really smooth. And I know I've got like some laugh lines here. I don't know if it'll help those or not. And it smells okay. Oh my gosh, it's like butter. Whew. Okay, so the first product that I'm going to use is the Pharmacy Clean Bee. So the first product I'm going to use is the Pharmacy Clean Bee Facial Cleanser. Let's see. It says apply to wet skin and massage on face in a circular motion. Rinse with warm water, use morning and night. This retails for 20. Okay. I still have pores. Shouldn't you be covering those? Maybe I'll add a little bit more to where my pores is. I wonder if this would work well in my makeup kit. Because while I don't really care too much about my enlarged pores, I know that some clients might not want their pores to be super visible. Okay, I'm gonna put my base on, let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation, blush, bronzer, contour, concealer on and powder my face, and then I'll be back to do the rest. Okay, so I went ahead and did most of my face. I've got foundation, blush, contour, bronzer, concealer, powder, and my eyeshadow and eyebrows done. So the next item is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter. This retails for, where are you at? $32. That's, is it just me or is that kind of steep? I feel like that's high. I mean, Becca highlighters I think are like 38. So maybe it's not that bad, but maybe Pretty Vulgar thinks that they're Becca? I don't know. I should probably shut up and just put it on my face and see what I think. Maybe it's totally worth it. Maybe. I don't feel like I'm putting a $32 highlighter on my face. Like, you can't really see it. It's kind of hard to pick up on a brush. No, you guys, if I'm gonna spend $32 on a highlight, I want more than this. This isn't doing it for me. Maybe it'd be pretty on my eyelid. I don't know. Try highlighting the inner corner with it. And maybe it's my brush. I don't have a fan brush. This has always worked fine with every other highlighter I've tried. So I mean, it's fine. It's fine. But I guess what I'm trying to say is that for $32, I want the product to be more than fine. I want it to be really, really good. I mean, I'll definitely use it. So the next product that's in the box is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This is my favorite high-end mascara. So I'm super excited about this, but I'm not gonna open this one yet because I have this one that is already open and not quite ready to be thrown out. So we'll go ahead and apply a couple coats of this. And this retails for $24. And, you know, I think it's worth it, but I also think that you can get the mini size. I think that's for $11, and if you abide by the 3-month rule with mascara, then the mini will carry you through the 3 months. So you're spending $24 every 3 months for a full size, or a mini every 3 months for like $11. Okay, so that is that. Can I just tell you right now, I'm not loving my foundation. I'm using the Cover FX Custom Cover Drops, which I normally really like, but today, for whatever reason, and I don't know if it's because I mixed it with this, but it just feels very, like, thick and cakey. And I feel like my skin looks dry, which normally that foundation looks a little dry, but it just seems a little intensified at this point. So, I don't know. Who knows? Okay, I'm gonna spray my face to add some life back to it. Okay, I feel like that helps. That helps it not feel so caked on, I guess. The next item is the Trestique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. It says this 2-in-1 lip duo features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny colored glaze on the other. The priming side smooths lips and glides on like a balm, creating a super smooth canvas. The color glaze effortlessly glides onto your lips to leave behind a pop of soft, shiny color. Okay, we'll give it a try. Based on what I could find online about this brand, I'd never heard of Trestique before, but what I did see showed that it was cruelty-free. This retails for $25. I feel like that's a big price for a brand that I've never heard of, but who knows? It might be amazing. Okay, so I'll try it with the primer first. It's super cute. So yeah, I guess I didn't show you guys that. This just pops off and that's the primer. And then to get to the lip crayon, it's right here. Right deal. Okay, so that's the lips. I actually really like this. I don't know how much the primer really does. Like I don't know that my lips look any different with having that on. But it's a good color. Boxycharm actually recently offered customization, so if you went on and did this questionnaire, you could customize your box, which I think that's amazing because this is one of the first months that I've gotten a lip color that I feel like actually suits me. Usually it's something that's pretty far outside of my comfort zone. So I'm a fan. You guys, the retail value of the box this month is $121. I definitely think it's worth it because these 4 products I'm gonna use, you know. I guess I'm not sure about this one yet. I need to use it a little bit more, see how my skin reacts to it. But from what I can tell at the moment, I think it's a fine primer. Don't really have any issues with it. The only product that I didn't like really was the Pretty Vulgar highlighter. There hasn't been a lot from Pretty Vulgar that I did like. This is probably the 4th or 5th product of theirs that I've gotten in a Boxycharm, and I think the only thing that I use is their setting powder out of everything that I've gotten. And that is going to do it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe, hit the bell, whatever feels good. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks.